Ayan. This is where I run. Anyway, this will be my last running here. It's good for like 10 kilometers. Na ganyan, as you can see there. Flowers and flower down there. Ayan, so pretty. Maganda yung scenery. At saka yung paligid is so greens. Ayan, and then of course yung river. Ayan siya guys. And later on, we're going to climb up there. If you can see the tower. Hopefully. Ayan, and today the weather is really good. Ayan. So ayan guys. There. That's the castle. Of course, yung nakikita nyo doon. Ayan yung castle. Maganda. Super green siya. And that's the only thing I can show you, of course. Some of the part of this view ay nasa previous vlog ko na. Ganda guys. You know, yung nature. Yun lagi na lang sinasabi that if we go deeper to understand the beauty of nature, we more appreciate it kung ano yung created ng Lord for us to enjoy. Ayan oh. Ganda. Ayan guys, so yun yung Mill Hill. Diyan na tayo. Parang 10 kilometer lang yung matatapos natin ngayon. Ganda. Hey guys, ayan nakikita nyo, it's a field of flax. Ayan, yung flaxseed or ginagawa nilang flax oil. Ang ganda siya, it's very purpley. Cute. So according guys sa aking research, ang linseed is a richest source, a good source of omega-3 or fatty acids. The linseed plant has been cultivated for 10,000 years for fiber and for seeds. And people who eat this product or this kind of seeds have reduced cholesterol levels and reduced risk of heart disease. So maganda po sa may mga matataas ang cholesterol ang linseeds. And this is animal and human consumption. Hi guys! So ayan, I'm going back to this place. Ito yung unang video ko when I get here. And now, I'm heading back to Asia. Ayan na yung church. If you still remember this. So ayan guys, I think ito yung first video ko when I get here. So ayan yung church. Before I took the video in that side, ngayon nandito tayo sa kabilang side. So ayan siya guys. And of course that's the way to the town. And then yan, ikot lang ng konti. Mabilis. So yan. And then yeah, we're heading to the beach. And then later on I'm going to show you more in the beach guys. The river. And guys, may mga benches dyan. I plan to eat here pero punta na lang ako ng beach. So we're gonna take the bridge up there.
Oh look, there's another one.
So that's where we've been, yung Shoreham. As you can see, the bridge is what that I crossed. Then ayan, ganyan guys ang mga English people. there, and now we're heading to the beach. And we're going to look a spot. Ayan, nag-take out po ako ng fish and chips para kainin natin sa beach. Ayan. So, ayan na siya. So, this is along the coastal. Ito na yung beach. Yun, maghanap tayo ng spot para kakain ako, guys. Kakain ako. O, yan, o. Tingnan nyo. Diba? May nagsasunbathing na. 18 degrees dito ngayon. In which, sabi nila, pag ganitong weather na masyado ng crazy yung mga tao. Kasi, mainit na para sa kanila to. Sa akin, lamig na lamig pa ako. Yan. Maghanap natin ng spot. So, I guess, dito na tayo, guys. Ayan. Para may social distancing pa rin. Social distancing. Kalokang social distancing. So, ayan. So, let's get the spot. Okay. So, this is the food that I've got. Ayan. Yung fish and chips. Ayan. Laki ng serving nila. And then, of course, yung calamari. Ayan po yung calamari. Ngayon, kakain na tayo. Hindi ako magmumukbang, guys. Hindi ko papakita kung paano ako kumain. I'm just wanted to show you yung food. And then, kakain ako. And then, after that, walk tayo. And then, we get a lot of good scenery dito po sa Shoreham. Ayan. So, yeah. I hope that you guys having a great Sunday as well. See you later. Hey guys, ayan, ang ganda. Ito yung na-amaze ako dito sa sa UK. Ang daming flowers everywhere. Ganda, oh. Ganda. Such a beautiful flowers. Ayan. I'm super amazed. Na-amaze ako sa beauty ng nature. Ayan. Sobra akong sa nature. Ayan, no. Flowers everywhere. Wild sila, guys. Ayan. Habang nagpapastol ako ng tuta. Ayun. Kung saan-saan din siya sumusuot. Ayan. Kunan muna natin yung ganda. Flowers. Ayan. Oh. Diba? Flowers! So, yan guys. Right now, pabalik na ako. Mainit, pero giniginaw ako malamig. Bibili tayo ng kape. We're going to get some latte. Latte. Ayan, inumin natin habang tayo ay naglalakad. Na-stranded yung boat doon. Just kidding. Ang ganda ng dagat. Blue siya. Yeah, blue siya. Pero sa camera, parang siyang dark. Parang siyang black na ewan. So, ayan. Nagpipiknik ang mga tao. May mga naka-sunbathing pa. Oh! Ganda! So, ayan guys. Let's say goodbye to Shoreham. Ayan, we've been there. May nagbabasking doon. Basking. Ayan. Shops are closed. It's already 4 past. So, ayan. Close na sila guys. Grabe guys, ang peaceful, diba? Hindi naman siya nakakatakot kahit may sementeryo dyan sa paligid ng simbahan. Kasi ang dami namang bahay dito sa paligid. Ganda. Flowers everywhere. Ang ganda guys. Ito yung gusto ko. Maraming flowers kahit saan. Ayan na, may bee pa doon. It's so beauty. Yung mga beauty niyang ganda. I mean, yung paligid. Ganda kasi maraming bulaklak. Different iba't ibang uri ng halaman. Cheers everyone! See you in my next vlog. Take care and have a great blessed weekend to you all. Bye! Cheers! See ya!